You are building an actual business and you need to stay organized. And the number one tool that I use to stay organized is Google Drive. Now, I don't use my personal Google Drive account. I create an entirely new Google Drive account for my store because I want to keep everything for my store all together, just in case if I ever decide to sell my store, everything's all together, which makes transferring my store super easy. Now, to do this, you're going to need to create a Google account. So let's go ahead and do that. Google, account. And you're going to click this very first link right here. And you're going to click create a Google account. Here, I'm going to type in my name, or you can use the name of your store. So this one could be Cash Bird. And instead of actually using a Gmail account, you do not want that. You want to use my current email address instead, and type in your main email that you created for your store. So this one would be Ebenezer@cashbird.co, and then password. There you go. So what is a Google account? A Google account will give you access to all of Google's tools. So Google Drive, YouTube, and you will also use this to set up all of your Google marketing tools. The only thing you will not have access to is Gmail. You will not be able to log into Gmail with this. You're going to check your emails from Zoho, not Google. So let's go ahead and click next. And they go ahead and send you a verification code to your email. So let's go ahead and check our Zoho mail. Let's click notification. There it is. Verify your email address. Copy this. Verify. And here I'm going to leave phone number empty. And here I'll go ahead and select, let's do February 2nd. Make sure you put in an age that's 18 or older, or else it will not work. So I'm just going to do 1996. And then I'm just going to do custom. You could do rather not say. Let's do that as well. And then hit next. Scroll down. I agree. And boom, welcome to your Google account. So we have access to every single thing except Gmail. So if you try to log into Gmail, this is what you're going to see. It's going to force you to create a Gmail account. You do not want to do this. You don't need this at all, so don't even bother doing this. Let's head over to Google Drive. Go to Google Drive. And this is where you're going to store everything related to your store. So the first folder we're going to create is logos and other graphics. So your logos, banners, social media, account headers, icons, everything is going to go into this folder. The next thing we're going to create is supplier agreements. Once you start getting supplier approval, you want to add all of your supplier agreements to this folder to keep track of them and to keep copies for your records. The next thing you're going to create is a folder for account logins. Your social media passwords and everything else like that, you can keep copies in here if needed. And you can create any other folder that you may need down the road and keep it all inside your Google Drive. That is all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.